Hello, this is MentorShelly coming to you. Wanting to talk to you guys today about the new career, living your dream career guide that is coming to you on this holiday weekend. Here it is. This is one of the goodies that I've been working on for you guys. I'm wanting to make sure that you truly get the opportunity to live your dream career. So here are the details of the guide that I want you to take advantage of right away. Of course, I introduce myself, who I am, 15 years of HR experience, and pretty much in this introductory video here on my website, mentorshelly.com/intro. You can click on the link here as well to get that information. Also, what does it really mean to live your dream career? I give you a breakdown of what D.R.E.A.M actually means to me, recognizing, determining exactly what you want out of your career, recognizing your gifts and what your talents are, so you can, definitely be able to evaluate where you are right now so you can take the necessary action steps and market yourself accordingly. That's pretty much what that talks about. Now, determination. Now, here are some questions for you. This is not going to be useful to any of you. It's a free gift, yes, but there's chock's full of nuggets and goodies in here, especially for the person especially for the graduate from high school or college that has no clue as to what they're going to do with themselves now that they're out of a structured environment. Is it I just want to go get a job, or do you truly want to pursue the career of your choice? This is a great way to start determining where you are in your career. If you're just starting out, this is a great place to start. Use this guide as a tool to be able to cultivate and craft your dream career. Determining, of course, you would answer the questions on this page. This guide is going to be of no use to you guys if you don't actually use it to your advantage. Recognizing what you want and where you are in your career right now. Answer these questions on this page, so it will definitely help you to recognize where you are. Evaluate, what it's going to really take for you to make that change in this time and in this time of your life. Life is too short. Time is not going to be given to any of us. So it is important not only to just recognize where we are, evaluate what's going to be the next step or what we're going to be doing. Evaluate where you are and what you're getting ready to do. So now it's time to take some action. Here are some of the action steps that I'm suggesting in this guide. Of course, if you're struggling, if you have no idea what the heck a professional portfolio is, or if you don't have a resume, or you do not know what a resume is, pretty much if you're struggling in any parts of this area, definitely schedule a career coaching session with me by going to mentorshelly.com/career coaching. And we can definitely get together and get you started and get you cultivated as to what all of this means and how they are going to be great career tools once you have defined through using this dream career guide how your career is going to pull forward. But in order for you to pull forward with a career, you got to know what it is. That's why we put the dream career guide together, so we can get you there. So you're going to take the necessary action steps, use the career tools described in Area B here, and of course cultivate the current relationships and start getting new ones by attending networking events. Of course, once you've done that, you're going to be marketing yourself through networking in any business. Or listen, if you don't think you have to have business skills to be able to succeed in your career, you are sadly mistaken. It is very important for you to learn how to market yourself as a business person and as an employee. It's no different. It's just that you're doing a different type of marketing. That's why you need career tools. Career tools like your resume, your cover letter, your portfolio. It's all a part of how you get to market yourself. Listen, this day and age, technology is key. So setting up a LinkedIn profile online is extremely helpful. I can give you a personal testimony of that. In the last 10 years, the jobs the career direction that I've taken within the last 10 years, the more recent 3 opportunities I actually took advantage of career-wise was because I had a LinkedIn profile. It's really that important. We're also going to, there's going to be some chock full of goodies. There's also going to be in an upcoming, free resources on my YouTube channel, how to set up a LinkedIn profile if you have no idea how to do that as well. Set up a YouTube channel. If you have a Gmail account, you have a YouTube channel. Use it for your career as well. And start learning if you don't know how to network. It's as simple as, hi, my name is so-and-so. I have X, Y, and Z experience. Things of that nature. That's stuff that we can definitely talk about in your career coaching session, which is, in order for you to understand what to do in networking situations, you have to understand where you want to go in your career. And if you have no idea or you're struggling in that area, definitely schedule a career coaching session with me at mentorshelly.com/career strategy session. Now, if you're looking for guidance on how to market yourself, you can here it is again. The link is schedule a career strategy session so you can get crystal clear about your career goals. If you're struggling in as far as what you actually are going to do for a career, use the previous pages in the guide to help determine where you're going. Now, not sure what a professional profile, an executive summary, and a cover letter. Everybody knows what a resume. Some people know what a resume is. If you don't know what any of those things are, here is a video link to my YouTube channel that talks about what a professional profile is, what an executive summary is, and what a cover letter is, and what's their purpose and how they help to serve you in your career. Of course, coolest about networking and doing in person in your chosen industry, well, the chosen industry that you may end up finding out through going through the Dream Career Sequence in this guide. I would definitely recommend you leave me a voicemail. You can go to mentorshelly.com on any of the pages. You'll see like a send voicemail either pop up, or you can click on this link here. You can leave me a voice message. You leave your name and either your email or telephone number, and I'd either respond back to you via voice, through email, or I can give you a call and we can definitely get something scheduled. If you don't have any of the career tools such as a resume, a cover letter, an executive summary, or anything like that at all, schedule a career strategy session with me at mentorshelly.com/career strategy session. Or you can click the link here on item D. If you already have a resume and you have it and you're sending it out to different employers online and you're not getting any responses at all, or you're not sure why, you're not getting, you're using a cover letter as well, or you have an entire portfolio and you're not sure of how to really utilize it, you can click on the link here, and we do have available at mentorshelly.com/career tools review, where I can review all of your documentation, whether it be just your resume and your cover letter, or your entire portfolio. You go to that page, you can either click the link here or go to mentorshelly.com/career tools review, and we can definitely get your career tools really working for you instead of you working for it. Of course, if you're looking for, if you're struggling in the area of job interviews, let's say you do have a resume and you're getting some calls back to go on an interview, you're nervous about that, or you're struggling in that area, or interviews always gave you the woozy in the stomach, so to speak. I've had several clients of mine. We sit down and we go, okay, well, you're having an interview for a nurse's job in a couple of days. Let's sit down and go through, okay, we know what type of nurse you're going to interview as, the position. Did you find out how many people? These are things that we're going to go through in the scheduled interview session call. And when I actually went through an interview coaching session with the young lady, she actually, in a couple days after going through the interview, came back and said, Mentor Shelly, you wouldn't believe it. About 4 of the same questions that we went through in the interview coaching session, they actually asked me. And because we went through that session before, I was prepared and ready to answer them in the most professional way. How great is that? To have the upper hand before you walk into an interview. That's what you'll get from from scheduling a career coaching session. Now, of course, one of the other resources that I want to mention here is that if you don't have an actual portfolio or need a more professional one to house all of your career tools, which is your cover letter, your executive summary, your resume, and all the other corresponding pieces that need to be in your portfolio, such as business cards. That's a freebie for you. Yes, you do need business cards as a prospective, progressive person that wants to get their career to the next level. You do need to have business cards, but that's something that we definitely would discuss in a career strategy session call. You can go ahead and there's 2 viable options. You can click the link that says portfolio with a 3-prong binder. I would recommend using one with a 3-prong binder so it helps to organize all of your career tools in that portfolio. But if you prefer not to use one, then you can use one with pockets and a notepad included. In either case, you want to make sure there's a notepad in both of those portfolios, because whenever you're going on interviews or you're entertaining or you're in any sort of professional meeting, it is always best to have something to write with or write on, so you can use that in any professional setting, including your career search, including any business meeting of any kind. Those portfolios come in handy, definitely. So if you want to stay in contact with me, of course, stay connected with me by you can either click on the link here or go to facebook.com/MentorShelly. You can also stay connected with me on YouTube, which is youtube.com/MentorShelly. You can follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/MentorShelly. On Instagram, of course, you can follow me on Instagram. It's instagram.com/MentorShelly. On Tumblr, like, share, and comment on the Tumblr, please. And, share, give me your feedback, good, bad, or indifferent. The only way we know to improve is if we get the correct feedback so we can improve. So like, share, and comment on Tumblr, which is mentorshelly.tumblr.com. And you can also like, share, and subscribe and comment on my podcast, which is soundcloud.com/mentor-shelly. Of course, it's been great to get with you guys and talk to you guys about the guide so you understand how to utilize this guide to your full advantage. Want you guys to take care. Enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend, but also whenever you're listening to this, it may not be the holiday weekend. It may be after that. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Always know that you can always go to mentorshelly.com and leave your information with your name, name and email address, or you can leave me a voicemail so we can stay connected, and I can definitely help you get to a better version of yourself professionally here on mentorshelly.com. You guys have a good one.